Hello and welcome to Indian Masterminds. I am Bhakti Kothari. Sometimes the most powerful people are the least visible. They don't trend on social media. They don't chase headlines. They don't speak in noise. But when a terror module collapses, when a spy ring is exposed, and when drugs worth crores are seized before they reach the streets, there's someone quietly holding the line. Today, we bring you the story of a man who leads not with volume, but with vigilance. Not with spectacle, but with systems. This is the story of Gaurav Yadav, IPS, Director General of Police, Punjab. Born on 16th April 1969 in Jaunpur, Uttar Pradesh, Gaurav Yadav grew up in a home shaped by discipline. His father, Colonel Bhagwati Prasad Yadav, served in the Indian Army. Duty was not a word in that household, it was a way of life. He studied in Kanpur, Lucknow, and Delhi. He pursued engineering, completed his master's, earned an MA in police administration, and went on to complete a PhD. In 1992, he cleared the civil services examination and chose the Indian Police Service. At the National Police Academy, he was declared the overall best probationer of the 45 RR batch, a sign of the officer he was about to become. Over the last 3 decades, Gaurav Yadav has handled some of Punjab's most sensitive assignments. He led the intelligence wing during a critical security phase. He served as Special Principal Secretary to Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann. And since July 2022, he has been leading Punjab Police as its acting DGP. In February 2025, he was impaneled by the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet for the post of Director General in a central police organization, the only officer from his 1992 batch to receive this recognition. That distinction speaks for itself. Punjab today faces complex security challenges. The battlefield is no longer conventional. It is digital, psychological, transnational. Under his leadership, multiple espionage networks have been busted, spy modules were dismantled, arrests were made, intelligence coordination across North India was strengthened. He has only spoken about the new face of threats: social media influencers being lured through money, honey traps, or false promises. According to him, modern espionage is not just about secrets, it is about shaping narratives. His message is simple: vigilance must extend to the digital world. Social media hygiene is national security hygiene. Punjab's battle against drugs has been long and difficult. Under the campaign Yudh Nashiyan Virudh, Punjab police registered nearly 30,000 FIRs in 2025. Close to 40,000 accused were arrested and over 2,000 kilograms of heroin was seized. The conviction rate in NDPS cases reportedly reached 88%, among the highest in the country. But the real shift was strategic. Instead of only arresting foot soldiers, the focus moved to breaking supply chains and dismantling financial networks. Hundreds of criminals modules were neutralized. Gang networks were disrupted. Funding channels were targeted. It was policing driven by structure, not reaction. Gaurav Yadav believes modern crime demands modern tools. Punjab Police strengthened PAIS 2.0 with advanced analytics and voice analytics. The Safe Punjab helpline enabled thousands of FIR registrations digitally. Cyber fraud cases involving hundreds of crores were tracked. Significant funds were frozen before disappearing forever. Crime statistics also showed measurable decline in murders, kidnappings, snatching, and theft. At the same time, jail modernization and surveillance upgrades were prioritized to prevent gang operations from inside prisons. Because for him, reform is not an announcement, it is an upgrade. Since July 2022, Gaurav Yadav has been serving as acting DGP of Punjab. With the Supreme Court reiterating the need for regular DGP appointments, the Union Public Service Commission has sought a panel of eligible officers. Among the senior officers under consideration, Yadav stands as a strong contender. With over 3 years in command, central empanelment as DG, and a consistent operational record, many believe he could soon take charge as Punjab's permanent DGP. Punjab's challenges are layered: cross-border terror networks, diaspora-linked gangs, narco financing, cybercrime, and digital manipulation. Through it all, his approach remains calm, data-driven, coordinated. He does not chase applause. He builds systems, from a disciplined army household in Jaunpur to leading one of India's most sensitive border states. His journey reflects quiet strength. In a time of noise, he works in silence. And sometimes, silence is the strongest shield of all. At Indian Masterminds, we tell you the stories of those who strengthen institutions, not for visibility, but for stability. If this story gave you a deeper understanding of leadership in uniform, like this video, share it with someone who values service beyond the spotlight. And subscribe to Indian Masterminds for more powerful stories from governance, public service, and national security. I am Bhakti Kothari. Stay aware, stay inspired, and we'll see you soon in the next story. Thank you for watching.